Within Zoho Expense, if you have access to the admin view, you could create a budget. The budget allows you to monitor if you are over or under spending on certain areas within your business. The budgets can be created by clicking on New Budget, and we can create a general budget for the company as a whole, or you can create user budgets for individuals within your organisation. The general budgets can be easily created. So let's put year ended 2025, got the fiscal year, we're going monthly and the amount, and here we've just got our categories. It's creating everything as a whole, so it's just bringing it forward, and we can pre-fill from previous years, and you can still amend these should you need to. When you're happy with your budget, you can easily hit save. And within here, you can easily view your actuals, and it will tell you whether you are over or under budget. In this example of April, our budget was £32. We actually spent £132, which means we were over budget by £100. In August, there was a budget of £500, no spend, so therefore we saved £500. Budgets can also be created on categories. So we can put in hotels, for example, and we can say the category. And we want individual categories. So we could say here our hotel. So we can enter in our costs here. And again, it will tell you your budget versus your actuals. So here we have no hotel spends, and therefore we are over budget, we are under budget on each of these. Lastly, you can create a budget, a general budget, on type. You can create a budget on type, so we can put food, do it monthly, or again you can do quarterly, yearly, half yearly. And again, as an organisation as a whole, we can enter in some figures on here. And yet again, we can do budget and actuals. If you want to find out more about budgets, then please subscribe to our channel and we can help you.